This is now the front view of the MRI of the brain and the head, which we call coronal views. Here you see already starting of the eyeballs, the front of the brain. These are your nose cavities, and you see some of the black are the teeth and the teeth root. And if you go now backward, you see again the cavity in the nose. These are the individual muscle. The black is the individual muscle in the eye. This is your sinus. And here you see some of the teeth, because teeth have less soft tissue, they appear dark, so do most of the bone. Here is actually, you see the skull, and inside of the skull there's a bone marrow that you see. Here some chewing muscle, your tongue is right here. And if you go further back, here you see some of the chambers in the brain, we call that ventricles. And then if you go further back, you see the sinus here, we call that sphenoid sinus. And then if you look carefully, maybe in the other picture you can see it better, you see your pituitary gland right there. And then if you go further back, you see then the what we call pons, your thalamus, your third ventricle is going to be very small. Usually lateral ventricles are not very big. And then here is your cerebellum. See how they are organized so differently from the rest of the brain. This is what is big in mammal. In most of animals, the cerebrum or big brain is small, and cerebellum, you see, it coordinates your motion. It's very well organized, and we go from the back of the brain, and here it ends.